Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beanie. For this beanie I use 4 play yarn and 5mm crochet hook. One ball of yarn will be enough. You can make it for man or woman or even a child, and it's so easy to make. I will explain you all the details at the video. And I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question about this tutorial, please leave comments. I will read all your comments and try to answer these questions. And if you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let's start. I will start with a slip knot. Then chain 40, 2, if you want to make a slouchy head, you can chain 50 if you want. I made the 40 chain and I will show you the measurements. It's a little more than 9 inches long. I will add one more chain. It's 41 now, and turn my chains like that. You see these back loops. I will make my single crochets from them. Skip this first one and into this second loop make a single crochet. Insert your hook here, grab the yarn and pull it, yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. I will make single crochets, and at the end I will totally have 40 single crochets. I made 40 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. I will make single crochets again, but I will only use back loops. You see that V here? That's the front loop, this one, and that's the back loop. I made a chain here. Skip this one, don't confuse here, okay? Insert into that back loop, grab the yarn, make a single crochet. Into the next one, make a single crochet, single crochet. And that's so easy. That's the easiest beanie you can make, I think, because we will only repeat this row. Make single crochets, then turn and again make back loop only single crochets for how many rows we want. When you make it bigger, you can wrap it around your head and look if it fits. I'm making my single crochets. And you can use it for man and woman, and it will look good with a slouchy version. If you are making this for a woman or yourself, make it slouchy, I think, but man likes to use it with this way, I think. So yes, I will count my stitches now. It's 40. Chain 1, turn. Skip this chain 1 again, and starting from the first single crochet, make back loop only single crochets. And just keep making like that. I will show you this. It's 15 inches long. I wrapped around my head and it fits me because it's so stretchy, as you see. And now I will join this two parts together. I put these two parts together. You see, that's my starting point and that's the finishing point here. I will insert my hook from here into that stitch. Take this loop, pull it, chain 1. Into the same loop I will insert my hook, and here I will only take back loop. Take the yarn, pull it, and make a slip stitch. If you want, you can make a single crochet too. Insert from both loops, only back loop, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. Insert both loop, back loop, with this way I will attach these two sides together. I'm almost at the end. And that's the last one. Chain 1, leave a tail and cut this yarn. I will take a yarn needle and sew here. And that's it. Here look like that. If you want, you can use it like that too. If you want, you can use a pom-pom also. And I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And Sis Crochet is my Instagram and my Pinterest address. You can reach me there too. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.